So in this lecture, we are going to learn about difference of squares. So the formula is given as a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Here a and b needs to be perfect squares and there should be a subtraction sign in between. So basically b square needs to be subtracted from a square. For example, 4x square minus 81 is equal to 2x whole square minus 9 whole square. So 4x square and 81 are perfect squares. So 2x square will be 4x square and 9 square will be 81. Applying the above formula, a square minus b square, it's equal to a minus b times a plus b. So it will be 2x minus 9, 2x plus 9. Sometimes we have to take the GCF before we can apply the difference of square formula. For instance, in this question, 5x cube y square minus 20x to the power of 5. So we will be taking the GCF out. 5 and 20, the GCF is 5. X cube, y square and x to the power of 5. We have only one common variable x and the smallest power is 3. So each term will be divided by 5x cube. So 5x cube y square divided by 5x cube will be y square. 20x to the power of 5 divided by 5x cube will be 4x square. So we are left with 5x cube times y square minus 2x square. Because 4x square is a perfect square and y square can be written down as y square. So applying difference of square in this bracket, a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So 5x cube y minus 2x y plus 2x. Difference of square is also applied to questions where we have to find the shaded region area. Like in this circle here. So in this circle here we have two circles with two radius. So r outer is equal to r plus 3, r inner is equal to r. So area of the circle is given as pi r square. Now because we are finding the area of the shaded region, so it will be pi r square outer minus r square inner. That will give us the area of the shaded region. So applying difference of square in this bracket. So pi r outer is equal to r plus 3, r inner is equal to r. So it will be pi r plus 3 minus r and r plus 3 plus r, because this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b. On simplifying, r and r will cancel out here and this will become 2r plus 3. So the final answer will be pi times 3 2r plus 3 or 3 pi times 2r plus 3 square units. The reason it's square units because in this question the units were not given and also the area is always square units like centimeter square, meter square. Thanks for watching.